Hi guys, Dale, H&H Cabinets. I just wanted to show you, a couple of people asked me about a fully integrated dishwasher. So what we're looking at here is a standard 600 wide dishwasher, but we've put a panel or a door panel matching the rest of the kitchen to completely hide the dishwasher. That's called fully integrated. Sometimes you can get a semi-integrated one and you see the control panel, the top 120 mil at the top of the dishwasher. This one's fully integrated, and as you can see when we open the door there, lo and behold, hidden behind there is a beautiful dishwasher.